Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Beyond the Weld. I'm your host Lou. Today we're gonna really break out Beyond the Weld as we're in our engraving department with our manager Cody, and we're gonna be talking about the different capabilities we have in this department and some of the type of jobs and applications we deal with on a regular basis. So as we kind of pan back, we've got three systems in the engraving and marking department.
So yeah, with the three machines that we have, we can pretty much tackle any application. We have more of a manual-based YAG machine. We also have a CNC-based YAG machine. And we also have our larger fiber laser.
Can you describe the difference between the laser marking and engraving?
Yeah, absolutely. So laser marking is just that. You're marking the surface of the part. A lot of times it's a carbon mark, more medical-based.
Yep.
That's just a black mark on the surface. Wouldn't affect the depth or that part at all.
Okay.
And then we also have etching. Etching is just an incredibly shallow mark, usually from 1 to 5/10 deep.
Okay.
Just a permanent mark that's not deep. And then we also do engraving, which can carry, from 1 to, we go about 40, 45 thousandths deep without deviation.
So marking, no depth, etching, very little,
Yep.
and engraving, a bit more depth to it.
Absolutely.
Very cool. All right, so one of the things we've discussed in other episodes is our ability at Phoenix Laser to help customers wherever they're at in their projects. So whether it's the process development on the initial stages, prototypes, or production runs, we can assist customers quickly and efficiently. And so that remains the same, not just from a welding standpoint, but in this department with Cody. Cody, what do you think or feel is a big differentiator for the Phoenix team?
Yeah, for us, I think it's the ability to adapt to what a customer needs most. Whether it's they're not quite sure what exactly they want to do with the project in hand, if we can help with that. We've
Yep.
done that a lot. Or whether it's fast turnaround times, they're in a bind.
Right, everything's hot.
Yeah,
seems like.
absolutely.